What is up, my friends? I'm gonna turn down a road I've never been on. So I'm gonna be on a new road. That was it. Uh-oh. Whew. I have no idea where this road goes, and it got me to thinking, some thinkering, as I like to say. And here's my theories. I'm gonna try to do this in about 5 minutes. So start the timer? I don't know. Better not. Anyway, so Harley's got this new bike, right? And on paper, it looks like a great bike until you look at the price and it seems expensive. But if you compare it and you treat it like an underdog against like the X Diavel, and then it looks pretty good. But if you compare it to Rebel 1100, Indian Scout 60, and I was asked by a viewer to compare it to the Scout 60, and I don't have the stats in front of me, but it looks damn similar. Somebody else posted one, was like, whoa, I think it was Christopher David Lawson of Nipa, Northeast PA. He posted a picture on Instagram. It's like, somebody had to do it. I was like, yeah, pretty much. Where am I going? I have no idea. I'm in some sort of subdivision bullshit. All right. So, yeah, it's kind of a wild thing. But here's my theory on what Harley's doing. Now, historically, vehicle manufacturers bring out the most expensive version of a model first, and then 6 months or a year later, they bring out the cheaper ones. Left or right, left or right, left or right. Leave a comment below. We're gonna make a left. I'm gonna get lost. Anyway, yeah, they bring out the most expensive one, and then they bring out the cheaper ones. So you have this 1250 Sportster S. I can almost guarantee you within a year and a half tops, Harley will have the 975, which was supposed to go into the Bronx or Street Fighter, whatever the heck they were going to call it. They're going to put that size engine into this Sportster S, and I think it's going to be awesome because it'll allow them to drop the price to about 12 grand, and I think it'll have about 90 horses and about 82 foot-pounds of torque, something like that. And I think they'll build it out from there. I saw in the reveal video, there are some, yeah, I'm gonna get turned around, aren't I? There are some different looking models that they have planned, like a bobber or something with a chop fender and a teardrop tank or peanut tank, whatever. So they're just gonna build out the Sportster family, just like they've been killing off Sportster models left and right recently. I think they're gonna bring out like 4 more models and build it into a full line. That's where I think they're gonna go with it. They've gotta have a cheaper version. There's just no sense in having just a $15,000 bike. And a lot of people have complained that the $15,000 price overlaps the Softail model line. And they're not wrong, But at the same time, they'll say that the Sportster S competes with the Softails, but I wholeheartedly disagree. I see the Softail as more of a standard cruiser, and the Sportster is at least aiming for a sportier crowd. Higher lean angles, that high-mounted exhaust, that XR 1200 look. Yeah. I totally got turned around. Do you think Harley's gonna get turned around? It's a good thing to leave me in the comments below, let me know. I certainly hope that this bike starts driving sales. I mean, I gotta be honest, everybody bashes Harley and they're always like, oh, Harley's not selling. But at the same time, I see posts from all my local Harley dealers every day. They are selling bikes left, right, and center. They can't keep them on the showroom floor. And I don't know if that's a shortage from COVID or what, but it's still interesting. As long as they keep making bikes that do that, I'm aces. So anyway, quick video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what other theories you have on the Sportster line and whether or not you think I'm going to be right. And until I see you again, keep the shiny side up. Ta-da! I think I did get myself lost again. I think I should have made a left here, or a right. Maybe a left. I don't know.